Hey guys, it's me Hasi. We have a friend, lovely auntie with me. This is actually Johan's relation kene ke aage. Auntie Sammy is with us. She is a teacher taking care of kids, I would say. She has a Montessori called Little Teresa,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Now, how long?
I have been doing this for the past 18 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. So guys can understand how much of experience that she has with kids. She herself, and Tony uncle has 3 kids.
Yeah.
I just want to talk about this. Now, you have been working with kids and also
Yeah.
directly with parents.
Yes, correct.
So, when it comes to parents, is there any kind of like they don't know that they are doing this mistake? Do you have any sort of have you noticed these parents are doing this?
Yeah. But actually, the first thing that comes to mind is this, right? Parents of nowadays, they are actually mostly young parents, I would say. They're actually very scared of the children. They are very scared of their own children because these children actually they throw tantrums, right? And some of them are, well, in one word, in a formative word, if we use, they are very stubborn, right?
Yes.
So what they do is they throw a tantrum and take full control of the parents. By parents mostly, as father goes out to work, it's a mother who gets caught in that, right? And then in order to sort of like pacify the child, what the mother does is, okay, whatever the child says or asks for, throws a tantrum about, that will be the first thing that the mother will do, right? Give whatever the child wants,
Yeah.
right? And therefore the mother unknowingly creates that idea in the child that once he throws a tantrum, right, and once he sort of like puts his little foot down, he can do almost anything. He can get away with anything, he can have anything that he wants, and that is what he takes out into the world, right? He forms that as something that should be his, right? He now realizes he can do this, and hence he forms a little pathway, right, straight ahead. Okay, if I do like this, then this is how I should get it,
Yeah.
right? And that forms a kind of a big misstep in the entire sort of like from the childhood up until the time he's an adult, like say 18 years, 19 years. That is the exact thing that he forms himself on, right? So I can do this, I can put my foot down, I can be firm, and I can make people do these things, right?